Hey friends, if you wish to open a .tar.gz file in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to open it. It's not very difficult. Here's what we have to do. We need to use a third-party software called 7-Zip. Actually, there are many, but I prefer this one because it's safe and it is very popular. And you can go to the download page and download the x64 version. Click on open. It will need a few seconds to launch the installer. Click on install and click on close. Okay, now once it is installed, let's say that I need to extract this file. So right click on this file, and you'll find 7-zip here. Select extract files. Okay, and then you can choose a good location for it, and then you can extract it. Okay, and it has been extracted. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.